Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this romantic, light, cute, glittery Valentine's Day look, which can also be used for any date night look, any party, wedding, special occasion, wherever you want to wear this to. And I'll be showing you guys how to basically go from this to this. And it's actually pretty easy, didn't take too long, and I really only used one product on my eyes. So super affordable and pretty quick if you ask me. So let's get started with this look. And I also have a big announcement at some point in this video, so you don't want to miss that, so just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my normal moisturizing my skin, priming my skin, and doing my normal foundation, concealer, contour, and then just kind of like setting it all in with a little sponge. So that's my normal face routine. I'm not going to go into it. I'll do another video just on that. Let's focus on the rest of the stuff that tends to vary with every look that I do. So before I get started with all that other stuff, my lips have been really dry lately, and I happen to know that I'm going to use a matte lipstick today, which means they're going to feel extra dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this organic virgin coconut oil, and honestly I think I got this at got this at Home Goods for $4.99, so super cheap. I use this on my hair, and it's just a cold pressed coconut oil. So I'm gonna do my blush because I'm using a cream blush, and I wanted to kind of just go on while my foundation is still isn't fully set yet, so that it kind of just all blends in together and I get this really like nice airbrush finish. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Cheek Heat. And I kind of go right over my nose because I kind of like that flushed pink look that kind of just goes around the face. It's like a, oh, you think I'm pretty? Stop it. Kind of flushed look, you know? Now I'm going to do my highlighter, and I'm also using a liquid highlighter because, again, want that like seamless airbrush finish. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. And then I like to also take some on the tip of my nose, the tip of the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. But for that, I put some on my hand, and then with my finger, I kind of place it like so, here, and then blend it in. Alright, so for today's eye look, I'm gonna go with something that's cute and light. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys would prefer a cute and light makeup look for your Valentine's Day or something that was sexy and sultry. And it was really funny because at first everyone was voting sexy and sultry, and I was like, I got you guys. And then it took a turn. This morning when I checked, all the votes were for cute and light. So that's what I'm gonna go with today, and it's gonna be something that's very like angelic, light, glow from within, elegant. At least that's what's the image in my head that's gonna happen. Hopefully that's what we can achieve. I'm gonna be using something I've never used before. This is the Revolution Makeup Eye Glisten Foil and Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow, and this little guy comes with two colors here, and it's one that's a kind of metallic nude peach. It looks very similar to my highlight that I put here, and the other side is foiled gold glitter. I can't really speak today. It's really early on a Sunday morning. Please excuse my lack of words. Let's get started, and let's just bring it in a little bit closer. Let's right here, just this way. Okay, so I just added some primer and concealer to my eyelids when I was doing my face makeup. And now I'm going to kind of just set right under my brow bone with a little bit of eyeshadow, because since that's a liquid eyeshadow, if I don't do that now, it might be a little hard to like get this set. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to take the shade Tempura. And it's this shade here. And I'm taking just a flat brush and just tapping it in there. And I'm just going to set the bottom of my brow bone and this inner corner here, because that tends to kind of move around a lot. And I know right now this looks a little bit light. However, this will all kind of tie in a second. I'm going with this shade here. So let's see. I think I'm gonna place this kind of like where I would normally place it for my crease. Okay, this is very metallic-y. I don't know how well this blends, so we're gonna find out. Start with a little bit, and I'm just following the natural shape of my crease. I'm taking this brush here. It's just kind of small domed brush, and I'm going to blend that out. Alright, so this sets pretty quickly, so make sure you have your brush nice and handy, because this is a liquid shadow, so if you don't blend it out while it's still wet, it's going to be really hard to blend out. So I'm kind of just sweeping it inward first and then buffing outward. So in and then circling out. Start with a little bit of product at a time and it'll be easier to maneuver. And with liquid shadows, you want to start a little lower. So just right on your crease, you don't want to start up high, because since they're liquid, you don't really have as much control how high you take it up. You want to be able to just slightly diffuse it. They're a little bit harder to blend out. So if you can start a little bit lower, you have more room to kind of do like a soft transition upward. Just be patient with this too. Like, it's gonna take a while to blend. So it wasn't too bad to blend out. Like I said, just be patient. This turned out to be a really good brush to use. So it's really just a small dome-sized brush. I actually think I got this in a set on Amazon, so I can link the link down below so you guys can purchase them. It comes with a big set of brushes, and honestly, I think it was less than 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go in now with the gold here. So this gold strictly on my lid. I'm gonna use that same brush and just kind of pat it down. So as you can see, I'm not really moving it anywhere. I'm really just patting it down so that it sets. I did notice that as I was applying it, the other shadow was moving. So just be mindful of that. Be very careful. Maybe I should have let the other one set a little bit longer. Okay, so me personally, I don't like when there's just like here and like one shadow stops here and the other one starts there. I know there's like the cut crease look. It looks really great on other people. It just doesn't necessarily work for me, or maybe I just haven't mastered it. So I like to blend it out. So to do that, I'm gonna take a little bit of this gold and I'm gonna place it just on my hand, and I'm gonna take my brush and just swirl it in there. And now I'm gonna start to stipple that onto my crease so that it creates a blend. I don't want to go in circular motions because this liquid shadow up here is moving when I do that, so I just want to stipple it. So let me do the other eye and then we'll, regroup and figure out what we do with the bottom, because I'm still not quite sure. So be right back. Okay, so I finished the other eye and I popped on some lashes. So let's do the bottom of our eyes. So I'm gonna go back in with that metallic shadow and very carefully place that right under my eye here. I'm going to take my Morphe M167, which is just a flat brush, and kind of set that in there. And then back in with that same brush that I was using and just sweeping it back and forth ever so slightly, diffusing it. So now I'm going to place some of that gold foil just here in this bottom part of my tear duct. Okay, I'm going to pop some mascara on. This is my e.l.f. mascara. This is the Length and Volume mascara, which is probably only like $4. Hello. Alright, that was 20 minutes of me putting on my first layer of mascara. Let's do a second. For my second, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout. So I'm going to add a little more flush to my chase. This is the Stephanie Botanicals Ginger and Gold Illuminating Peach Gold Blush here. And I'm just going to put my sponge in there. And now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Glow Highlighter in Moonlight. And I'm just going to go dip in there, and that's it. It's got that like cushiony gel-like consistency, which is really, really pretty, and very bright. So just carefully. And I'm really just focusing on the high points. So for lips, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. What is this? It's like a double-ended liner. I think it's meant to be more of a lipstick, so then it has a little brush at the end. And this is color Natural. But I like to use this as a lip liner. And it just glides on. My gosh, time to get rid of the stash. I use my Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Val. I really like these. They're really affordable. They're just slightly sheer, but like I said, I found a way for that. I found a solution. Okay, here's my solution to sheer lips and to also get them to be a little more pouty. Just dab it. Dab, 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 dab. Pouty. I'm gonna set this all with a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray. So that's it for today's look. It's very light and airy and cute and very light and classy, and I hope you have an occasion to wear this too. If it's Valentine's Day, a wedding, a party, date night, anything to go to Target, that's cool too. And yeah, so all I did to my hair, by the way, because I have very short hair right now, I just put in a little low bun and then just curled the front pieces of my hair. And that was it. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, like this video, all of that good stuff. Don't miss out on any videos. And guess what? Big moment to announce. I am going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. So tell your friends, tell them to come subscribe to my channel. Don't miss any videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm chelsdoes.makeup. And I will post the rules on my IG story, or maybe an IG post, and in my next video I will announce exactly what I will be giving away once I hit those 100 subscribers. So don't miss out on that. See you guys in my next video. Bye.